Hi guys, this is Vicky Sharma. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing great, and your preparation level is also going good. So, if we talk about ATC or AO in that physics, so it matters a lot. So, if you wanna score 25 plus marks in ATC or the AO, then you have to cover this all the topic, and you need to also cover this all the previous year question paper also. So what we gonna do in this video is we'll see this all the formulas, and we'll also solve some important problems which have asked in previous examination. So without wasting our time, let's begin. So just a second, let me use a laser pointer here. Alright, so let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have. First important theory is. So we have a theory of relativity. So it is one of the most wanted theory we have in physics, and you will be getting at least 2 to 3 questions from this topic. So in that we will have the many formulas. So we're gonna see one by one. Let's see what do we have. First one is. So this is what we have. The first one, Einstein's relativity equation, mass energy equivalence. So we know this formula E equal to mc square, where E equal to energy, m equal to mass, and c equal to speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Let's move to the next one. Next we have Lorentz factor. So it is denoted by R equal to 1 divided by root over 1 minus beta square, where beta equal to b by c, and v equal to relative velocity, and c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Let's move to the next one. Next we have is relativistic mass. So absorbed mass, m equal to m naught into r. Now you know the value of what we have, r. So just substitute it here. Next we will get m equal to m naught divided by root over 1 minus v square divided by c square, where m equal to rest mass. Let's move to the next one. Next we have time dilation. So what do we have? Time dilation, t equal to t naught into r. So thus you can substitute the value of r, you can get t equal to t naught divided by root over 1 minus v square divided by c square, where t equal to rest time. Let's move to the next one. Next we have length contraction, absorbed length. So this is what we have formula, L equal to L naught divided by R. So L equal to L naught into root over 1 minus V square divided by C square, where L equal to rest length. Let's move to the next one. Next we have relative velocities in different frames. So let's see what do we have different frames. So this S, it is at the rest frame. S dash, it is at the moving frame, and here you have the stone fired frame is dash. So this is what, if we talk about velocity, so velocity v1 is for the moving frame, and v2 is for stone fired by the frame is dash. So v2 equal to the velocity of projectile as seen by observer in the S frame. Now question is how to calculate the velocity of projectile as seen by an observer in S frame. So this is how they'll ask you. Let's move to the next. Let's see how we can calculate it. So we have v equal to velocity of projectile as seen by observer in S frame. So v equal to v1 plus v2 divided by 1 plus V1 into V2 divided by C square. So where C equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have for next point is. Next we have the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It is also one of the most wanted principle you have. So let's see this is what you have del x into del p is greater than equal to h divided by 4 pi, where del x equal to uncertainty in position, del p equal to uncertainty in momentum, h equal to Planck's constant, which is 3 into 6 to 617 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Let's move to the next one. Next we have de Broglie wavelength. So lambda equal to h divided by mu, where lambda equal to de Broglie wavelength, h equal to Planck's constant, m equal to mass of object, and v equal to velocity of object. Let's move to the next. So now question is on the screen. So what do we have? So this AAI ATC previous year question paper it is. So we have taken question from the previous paper. So whatever formula we have discussed just now, apply our formulas and get answer. So this is what all you have to do. Let's see what it is. On the relativistics mass of proton moving with the speed of 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Raised mass of proton is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, and C equal to 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is. So you need to find the M, right? So just now we have seen, just as again, let me use the pen here so that I can explain you. So what do we know of this formula? M equal to M naught divided by root over 1 minus V square divided by C square. So all you have to do is you have to substitute the value. So M is what? Mass of proton. Yes, M naught is this one, isn't it? So this is what you can put, substitute 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 divided by 1 minus V square. So we have is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8, sorry, it's 10 to the power 8 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this we know light velocity. Now whole square, yeah. So this is what it's in the formula. So this is what you can make it cancel. Do it calculation. You will get answer is 2.78 into 10 to the power minus 27 minus 27 kg. So this is what you'll get answer. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have for next point is. So this is what you have the 2.78. Let's move to the next question. So next we have a rocket ship is a 100-meter length when measured before the leaving the launch pad. When in flight, a ground observer measure its length as a 75. The velocity of the rocket ship it is asking you. Now you know what do we have? Formula L equal to L naught for length contradiction into root over 1 minus B square divided by C square, right? So just you need to do is you need to substitute the value. So what do we have? It is L naught. It is L and C value, you know, C value what do we have? 3 into a to the power 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So substitute it. So what do we have here? L is equal to, it is 75, and L naught we have is 100 into 1 minus V square divided by C we have is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we can make it as a square or the power 2, right? So you just need to find this value V. So once you find the value of V, then you will get it V equal to 1.98 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is what we'll get answer. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have. Next question is. So next we have uh, an astronaut at the wrist has a heart rate of 65 beats per minute. Okay, and when the astronaut's spaceship moves at the speed of 0.6 her heart rate as measured by an earth observer will be. So this is what it is asking you. That means what do we know formula? So you can say, let's say it is R equal to R naught into 1 minus V square divided by C square. So just you need to do is you need to substitute a value. So it is R naught, yeah. So it is what? It's R naught at rest. And so just substitute it. What do we have? So you need to find this one R equal to, this is what you have, the 65 into root over 1 minus V square. V, what do we have? So this is what you have, the V 0.6 C square, yeah. So this is what you have, square divided by C square. So now what you need to do is, I'll make one step more. So this is what we have, the 65 into root over 1 minus, so 0.6 to the power 2, that means it will become 0.36, right, divided by C square into C square. So this is what C square, it will get cancelled. So just you need to do calculation. So once you do calculation, you will get as a 52 beats per minute. So this is what we have the answer. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have. Next question is. So next we have the frame is moves relative to the frame is at the point 60 C in the direction of increasing the x. In frame S dash, a particles is measured to have a velocity of 0.4 c in the direction of increasing x. Now the velocity of the particle as measured in the frame is. So we have seen our formulas for projectile absorber, right? So what do we have, that one? V equal to V1 plus V2 divided by 1 plus V1 into V2 divided by C square. This is what we have formula, right? So what do we have here in question? It is V1, right? Now V2 we have this one. So this is what you have the V2. Just you have to do is just substitute the value. So just let's substitute here. So we have 6 0 C. Okay. Next we have is a point 4 C. Next 1 plus V1 into V2. So just you need to make it multiplication 0.60 C into 0.4 C divided by C square. It's a square. Okay. So now what you need to do is let's do calculation. So this is what it will become 0, that is 1 0 0 C, right? Next what you can do 1 plus 6 for the we have 6 for the 24, right? So this is what you can write here 24. Here point will come and it will become C square. So all you have to do is cancel the C square to C square. Just make it cancel. Next we will get 1 divided by 1C. It is 1C divided by 1.24, right? So all you have to do is do its calculation. You will get answer is 0.81C. I hope it's clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have for next question is. Our next question we have is a nuclear reaction gives off a total of 10 to the power 7 joule energy. How much mass is spent in this process? This is what it is asking you. So just now we have seen a formula like E equal to mc square, right? E equal to mc square. So it is asking you mass, right? And energy it is given to you. So just you need to do is substitute it here and do calculation. Equal to m into C, you know what do we have? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It's a square. So just do calculation. You can find the value of here m equal to it will be 1.11 kg. So that's how you will get answer. I hope this question is also clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have. Next question is. So next we have an electron in a TV tube has a speed of 6 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Now it is asking you what is the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron. So just now we have seen a formulas for the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda equal to h divided by mv, right? So you need to find the lambda, right? H value, you know that. What do we have H value? H value is Planck constant, so it is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34. You can take divided by m. M value it is given here. So what do we have? 9 point it's 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Now you can multiply with V. V it is also given here. So this is what you have the V. Substitute it. So it is 6 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So what you need no need here. So just do calculation. Once you do calculation, you will get this answer is 0.81 1 2 1 extra. So this is what we have. I hope this question is also clear now. Let's move to the next. Let's see what do we have. Next question is okay. So this is what we have seen. These all the question. So guys, do practice, and for any query, please write in comments and stay tuned for the more formulas sheet. Like, subscribe and share it. So thank you guys for being with me and have a great day. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.